Do you feel like now there's like a big difference or a bit of a jump between the understanding and the use of te reo Māori in day-to-day?
Yes, well, the thing about our tamariki today, the ones who are being raised as Māori speakers, is the ability to think broadly, and it's what we call meta-linguistic awareness, which is an awareness of both languages actually, both English and te reo Māori as our foundational languages. Māori, of course, being the main driver of the thinking, and so that's the thing, is our tamariki are able to think in both worlds and are able to transition smoothly between both of those worlds. And that's why it's really important that we advocate for the ones who aren't afforded te reo, because they are missing out. And it is, I think, a breach of their Indigenous linguistic rights as tamariki, mokopuna of this whenua.